Here at SHU, there is a club for everyone. Seriously, with over 100 clubs and organizations, it's easy to find your people at SHU, and with first-year experience courses to help students transition from high school to college, here's Vanessa at the Toussaint Residence Hall to tell you more.
Thanks, Alex. Getting involved was always something I enjoyed. So when it came time to looking for the right college, I knew that I had to find a school that supported my wish. I can confidently say that Sacred Heart has provided me with more than that. The endless opportunities and the various choices that Sacred Heart offered me truly influenced my college experience and who I have become today. With over 100 clubs and organizations, ranging from academic to social, multicultural, and service, as well as student government, volunteer programs, fraternity and sorority life, athletics, campus ministry, student activities, and events, there is something for everyone. Some opportunities that I hold near and dear to my heart are student government, Habitat for Humanity spring break trips, education club with volunteer opportunities, and being a student ambassador, allowing me to share my experiences with future pioneers. Coming in as a freshman, I was nervous to get involved, but SHU made it so easy. The upperclassmen were so welcoming, and the sense of community that I felt truly helped make my transition to college easier. During freshman year, SHU incorporates a course for all first-year students called First Year Experience, or FYE, which focuses on ensuring that all students are supported during their transition to college. At the beginning of the fall semester, there is the Just SHU It Fair, which is a chance for students to meet all the clubs and organizations offered on campus. Additionally, SHU celebrates what we call the First 50 Days, which consists of plentiful programming for students to engage with one another, meet and greet with clubs, and get a feel for campus. I believe that everyone at SHU is connected, and we truly are a family. The desire to get involved is a quality that all SHU students have. Everyone from the faculty and staff to the students are there to support you and truly want you to make the most out of your college experience. With the immense support that the Sacred Heart community has given me, I have been able to grow, hold several leadership positions, and become more prepared for my future. Thanks for letting me share my story. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Vanessa. SHU students have no problem finding their footing with so many clubs and activities to keep them involved. That was a lot of fun. Take care.